Well guys, sorry about the wind today, but you guys see where we're at. Got the old AXIAL SCX10 Honcho out. Along with this transmission and brushless on it. We're gonna have ourselves a little bit of fun. Woo, check it out. This Honcho does in the soft dirt on brushless. don't know how well you can see me, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the big test of the Axial Honcho. After all the upgrades, I want to take it out on the dirt to see how well the 3-speed works in it. You know, because I'm running a Spectrum controller, so I can control the power that's coming in. As you guys see, the Remo's out here today with us. I kind of wanted to get it out, run along with it, just kind of enjoy myself. And finally, got the wife out here, man, running an RC truck. Man, she is so excited. She's like, it is fun. Man, that's another one hooked. Awesome job. Man, I hope you guys like the video. If you guys do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And we're gonna catch you guys on the next episode. Go outside, have some fun, break something. And if you don't break something, that's okay. You always, next time you go out, have some more fun. All right, guys, I appreciate it. We're gonna catch you on the next one.